Alright, so gang, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature. Alright, gang. So let's go over the basics. Like these are the basic OGs. Basic. These are the basic candlestick patterns. It's doji candlestick patterns, Marubozo candlestick patterns, and spinning top patterns. Then we got single candlestick patterns, double candlestick patterns. But these are the basic candlestick patterns. It's dojis, Marubozos, and spinning tops. So like I said, we already went over the dojis. Those are the basic, candlestick patterns. We got two more that we got to go over, which is Marubozo candlestick pattern, which I already went over, but we won't go over it again. And the spinning top doji. I mean, then spinning top candlestick pattern. So when you see doji candlestick patterns, spinning top candlestick patterns, and Marubozo candlestick patterns, these are the basic candlestick patterns. All right, and then you're going to go into more advanced candlestick patterns after we get over Marubozo candlestick patterns and spinning tops. Those are the last two that we got to do. We already did dojis. So all right, so a Marubozo candlestick pattern is called a Marubozo candlestick pattern because it's a translation to a Marubozo is translated to a bald head or a shaved head in Japanese. So that's what it means in Japanese. It means a bald head or a shaved head. Marubozo. So a Marubozo candlestick is a bald candlestick or a shaved candlestick, mean it has no shadows or no wicks. It doesn't have any wicks or shadows. In this example right here, it's a bearish. This is a bearish Marubozo candlestick. And it's red. Okay, and this is a bullish Marubozo candlestick. It's green. The bullish, they both of them doesn't have any wicks on them. Okay. Um, uh, so I just want y'all to understand. All right, so how you see if you see a bullish Marubozo candlestick is going to open at the where the stop loss is at. Sorry about that. It's going to open where the stop loss is at, and it's going to close where that entry is at. Same thing here. You see a green Marubozo candlestick, it opens at the bottom and closes at the top because it's closing at the top, so it's going up, so it's going to close at the top. Same thing with a Marubozo. When you see a red Marubozo, a bearish or Marubozo candlestick, stop loss is at the top because it opens at the top and closes at the bottom because it's going down, so it's going to close down at the bottom. So these are the type of two Marubozo candlesticks. The colors are green and red. In this example, I use my candlestick patterns and my colors. When y'all look at my charts, they're black and white. I like black and white just because white would be green and black would be red for me. Just cause my eyes, it's easier on my eyes for me. So to contain, a green Marubozo candlestick has a body with no wicks, no shadows on it, and the open price equals to the low price, and the close price equals to the high price. So uh, it's a long candlestick pattern. Okay, very bullish. It's a long bullish candlestick, meaning it's going up. It's very green, very green. It shows that buyers were in control the entire time. When you see a bullish Marubozo candlestick, it means that buyers were in control the whole time, the entire session, and it's usually a first part of a bullish confirmation, or a bullish reversal pattern. Like I said, you see it on an uptrend, and you see a green bullish confirmation candlestick pattern, and it's very bullish. It's usually on an uptrend. It's the first part of a confirmation that a bullish continuation is going up. But as you see on a downtrend, and you see a bullish reversal pattern form, a green bullish reversal pattern form on a downtrend, it means that that a reversal pattern is most likely to come. Same thing with the black Marubozo. It contains long or red, no wicks, no black wicks, no nothing on it. It has this Marubozo candlestick. Is in Japanese it's called Marubozo because it has no wicks. It's shaved bald. So the body is a long. It's going to be a long. It's going to be a long red candlestick. Having very bearish candle. You see a very bearish candlestick. It shows that sellers were in control. the price action the whole entire session, and it usually implies, if you see a bearish candlestick implied during a downtrend, a continuation is most likely to occur. If you see a bearish reversal form on an uptrend and it's going up, and you see a big red candlestick on an uptrend, a reversal is most likely to occur. So depending on what colors you use and stuff, and depending on if it's on an uptrend, you see depending on the color of the candlestick, or the Marubozo candlestick, and where it's located, tells us if it's going to continue going up, or if reversal or not. So green forms at the end of an uptrend means that it's likely going to continuation up. If green forms on the end of a downtrend, then most likely a continuation of a reversal is likely. If the same thing, you see a red form on a downtrend, a continuation is likely, and you see a red form on an uptrend, a reversal is likely. So I just wanted y'all to know those are basically that's basically what it is. It means that buyers. If you see a green candlestick, it means that buyers were in control. It also means that a lot of momentum. It could mean continuation, depending if it's uptrend or downtrend. Same thing with the red. So I just wanted y'all to know that these are the basics which you need to know as far as like Japanese candlesticks. So Marubozo name is Japanese candlestick formation, used as a technical analyst. So that's for you that Marubozo, Japanese word for dominance. These are extremely powerful candles. They have long bodies with small or no wicks. When a green Marubozo candle is formed, it means that price opens at a certain level and is continue rising without falling down. Same thing, you see a red Marubozo form, when price opens at a certain point, it means that continuation is falling. It also can mean a trend reversal or a trend continuation. A Marubozo shows high volume and selling and bullish and selling and bearish or bullish or buying. It shows a high volume of buying and selling. So when you see these long candlesticks with no wicks, this means that this is a lot of momentum going in that direction, and it's most likely, depending on if it's uptrend or downtrend, it's most likely going to continue going in that direction. So these are the basics as far as like what you need to know as far as candlesticks is concerned. We can go in even here, talk a little bit about it. The candlestick will be black or red, no shadows, no upper shadows. The pattern shows that you see on a red, if it's red, it shows that the pattern shows that sellers were in control. The trading day from opening to close, they were from opening to close. Sellers were in control. If you see a red long candlestick, therefore it's a bearish pattern. The candlestick can provide a trade signal or analytical insight into the future direction of a price. While it's a bearish pattern, contents which occurs more important than the candlestick itself. Sellers control is especially worth watching their resistance and support. So after we see that form, we most likely wait to see that form. We wait for that Marubozo to form before we get into a trade. Okay. Once we get that candlestick formation, either it's a green or red, and we get that confirmation if it's on an uptrend or a downtrend, if it's going to continuation or it's going to be a reversal. Once we understand what price is trying to tell us as far as the candlestick is concerned, then we get in for a trade. Okay, so when you see Marubozo candlesticks form in the chart, these are potential big moves. Big moves that probably will play over the next weeks, or the next months. So I just wanted y'all to understand, Marubozo candlesticks, and what they mean. All right, so that's basically about it. All right, for Marubozo candles. Like here, I like how they got their charts like really set up. But what I'm saying, these are Marubozo candlesticks. I can even show y'all in MetaTrader real fast. Let's go to let's type in gold. So you type in gold, you go to the plus sign right here, and this is a demo, one of my demos. So XX, so it's XAU, XAU. You type in XAU, it will bring up gold. You click on it, and then you press back, and goes right there. So let's just look and see. You know, just give y'all examples of Marubozo candlestick pattern and what that looks like. Alright, so this is what it looks like. See the long wicks. You see, when you see, like, alright, so Marubozo candlesticks will basically have no wicks. It's like, sometimes they have small wicks. But you see, mine's is white and black. So, y'all's will be green and red. So, when you see a big green or, you know, white candlestick form, Marubozo, most likely is going to continuation in that way over the next days. See, we see it right here. At first, it was on a 4-hour. This is also called moving average, which I will be explaining more and more about moving average. You see that red line, you know, moving average. You see, price going above the red line is going up. It's an uptrend. You see price going below the red line is forming a downtrend. So that's another trick on how we know, how we look at the moving average and see if price is overlapping on a downtrend or uptrend. So this is, you can see right here, big Marubozo candlesticks on a day chart, on our daily day chart for gold. I trade gold. So my peers, you're gonna love me, cause I trade gold. That's why I trade GPUSD. So I'm gonna be telling y'all everything about gold. Gold's one of the fastest pairs ever. Like, it's like the fastest pair. Like, so, and you make a lot of money in gold. So we're gonna just be talking about gold a lot. That's my best pair that I trade is gold. I made the most money I made ever with gold. So I made like 7,000 before with gold. So like for the moving average though, okay, for this moving average, you see the red line. All right, so this is a great example of a Marubozo, a black Marubozo candlestick. So it was, as you can see, let me see if I can back out of this. It's kind of acting up. All right, as you can see, boom, price was on an uptrend. You see the Marubozo, you see the white Marubozo, on the moving average. You see a white Marubozo or any type of Marubozo candlestick form, it's definitely most likely going to continue that way. So we see it was going up. We see the long Marubozo candlesticks with barely no wicks. We see this one right here, the third one up before they're going up. You can see it doesn't have a bottom wick. That's a clear Marubozo candlestick, meaning that this is going weekly too. So for the whole week it was going up. So then it went down for the week. Finally went down. We see a Marubozo candlestick saying that's going to go down, more like a shooting star. We see a couple of dojis, a couple of shooting stars, also inverted hammers, also showing us that price is going to it wants to continue to go down now. So that's what happened. So price went down, and I caught that trade. It was beautiful. And the black Marubozo candlestick. So when you see a black Marubozo candlestick form on a red line, it means most likely all the other candlesticks are going to be going down too. So if you see, like, all right, so for this example, you see candlesticks going up on the red line, is going up. But when you see the candlesticks starting to form down, and you start seeing like nothing but like a lot of candlesticks forming below the red line, is going up. But when you see that crossover, like it's a crossover right now, it looks like it's going back up. It's a crossover. When you see it above the red line, when it starts going above the red line, a reversal most likely is coming. So this is also another pattern that I want to be talking about too, because I obviously can see this is especially on a 4-hour chart. I knew this was going to do this. This is a clear pattern. I already know what this pattern is. That's more in our advanced session. We'll be talking about advanced pattern sessions and stuff too. I don't want to get y'all too confused right now. I just wanted to explain what a Marubozo candlestick looks like. Y'all already seen the pictures, but this is what it looks like in the chart. I could change the color for y'all real fast, and I don't mind changing the color real fast for y'all to show y'all a different color. Hold up. Let me see. Candlesticks. Color. I think it's in color, black and white. Custom. We're gonna do the bar is going to be bullish. Bullish will be green. Okay. And bearish will be red. Boom, done. All right. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is the advanced session. You want to go to advanced mode. Simple mode is that's what simple mode looks like. It's very simple, but it's more confusing to me. Advanced mode, everybody does advanced mode. Just hold it down, and it pops up. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all the difference in the colors. So this is what y'all used to seeing. So green's going up. You can see green Marubozo candlesticks going up. A lot of green, and red means it's going down. So this is for gold. Like so you can see it was going down. You see a big red candlestick right here at the top. A one at 1799.00, and that it crossed over. A big Marubozo crossed over on the moving average on that red line. Boom! I said when you see a Marubozo cross on a red line, it's continuation. It's a reversal likely is happening. It's going to go down. So that's what happened. It went down. It went all the way down from 1999 all the way to 1676. Okay, and it's now going back up in that direction right now. Okay, right now it's kind of consolidating right now. All right, this really isn't the time to trade gold. We want to talk about all that too. But all right, gang. It's your boy Nature, aka Nature Gang.